Hi, are you preparing for CAT and looking for a channel where you can learn completely in free but purely in English language? Are you looking for quantitative aptitude videos completely in English? Are you looking for logical reasoning and data interpretation videos completely in English? Are you looking for verbal ability content but the faculty should be using only English language and giving you all the examples in the English language? Your search ends here. Presenting to you Unacademy CAT English. This is first of its kind English medium channel for CAT and other MBA entrance exam preparation. Yes, you heard me right. Everything will be taught over here in pure English language. There'll be no Hinglish over here. All our expert educators will be teaching the subjects like quantitative aptitude, logical listening, data interpretation, and verbal ability and reading comprehension completely in English language, including myself. So what are you waiting for? Hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel and do share it with all your friends. My name is Ronak Shah and I teach quantitative aptitude and logical listening and data interpretation for CAT and other MBA entrance exam. I have been training students and guiding them for last 16 years. I have trained thousands of students and guided hundreds of CAT aspirants and sent them to IIMs and other top B schools. Today, I am here to make certain promises. Number one, the content that will be taught on this channel will be purely related to the CAT and other MBA entrance exam preparation. Nothing more, nothing less. Number two, all our educators will be teaching you in the English language. And let me tell you, even the jokes will be cracked in English language, whether you find it funny or not. Not only that, India's topmost English medium educator will be here to teach you and provide you the best content that you will ever find free on YouTube. So make sure that you are attending all the sessions. We are going to launch our first video very soon. So stay tuned for that.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.